All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Good morning, all. President's Day, Monday morning. Good morning. Hope everybody had a really great weekend. Enjoyed your Valentine's Day. Everybody in the group got lots of messages waking up this morning. Really great. Glad everybody played the weekend the way they played it. Watching technicals, watching all the indicators. We want to do a brief little update on Ethereum. Obviously, what happened last night, you could see if you are also leverage trading a lot of the top 20 altcoins that what happened last night basically hit across the board from Bitcoin to Cardano, right? I mean, from, DOT, Uni, and Link, you name it. Take a look at their charting this morning, and you'll see in that hour area, wick down, major, declines and correction, that you can see that. This doesn't happen that often where across the board. So that tells you a little bit more about a market phenomenon than necessarily anything that's particular to one technical or on-chain metric about Bitcoin or Ethereum or Cardano or Link, Dot, Uniswap individually, right? It's more of a sentiment thing that you want to play when you get overheated. Like if you follow some of the thread in the trading Discord, you'll see. Like, I made a lot of comments in terms of like I'm moving towards shorting some of these altcoins now on leverage. Doesn't mean I'm not keeping those projects long in a bag. It just means they've gotten overextended. Aave, Compound, Link. Link dropped below $30 last night, but is back up again to $33, $34 this morning. That's bullish. Okay. You need to look at that, how it responds after these corrections. I don't really consider last night a major dump, an epic dump. Like we've seen that on, YouTube. I think all that's mostly just clickbait garbage. And it's sad to see people, that resort to that. I mean, because I can go back and charts 5 or 6 other instances in Bitcoin since December that have been far worse than what we saw last night. And, and then it recovered and now it's consolidating again this morning. Same with Ethereum. If you look here, what we looked at last night was, buying opportunities, right? Not just leverage opportunities using your technical indicators, but also when do you add to your bag, right? I mean, at these levels, right? We're not going to see 200 Ethereum ever again, right? I just don't see it happening. 500, 700, those levels are gone. And if you didn't get add Ethereum to your bag at those levels, you missed that opportunity because it's not coming back. So where do you add now, right? Going forward? Well, you add on moments like last night. Like we called it out here, like at 1662, like boom, it's now it's getting oversold down in this. Whatever's happening, futures, whatever on a Sunday night, what could be happening outside the country, whatever. I mean, that's when you look at it. If you're promising in a project, if you're looking to a promising project and you have faith in that project and you understand the value and undervalue of a particular project or network or coin token, then this is when you add to your bag. 1662 down here, low RSI. Look at that lowest RSI for most of the day. Okay, really. And this is a 1 hour chart. Okay, so you can see most of high volume. Okay, it's an event. It's not epic, it's just an event. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart. So high volume taking us down, getting in. Could have done a great 510, 240 here for 10 days. All right. And now you see here where we are. Now, what's the RSI look like? Like the RSI has been pretty good. Ethereum's had a major run up. Okay. There's no dismissing that. But it's basically bouncing around between 55 and 65. That's not excessive RSI if you look at it on a daily basis, right? It's not excessive. So you pick your moments of entry when it does fall down below 20, or exit when it does climb up above 80, like here and here, right? After your entries. So you want to take a look at that, right? After you set your zones. The MACD, that's a little bit more concerning on the daily. You got to cross overhead, and if it crosses, we could see some downward below 1800 again on MACD. But overall, we're consolidating here, which is good for Ethereum in order to baseline here and move higher in the coming week.